Imagine starting a YouTube channel today with 0 subscribers, no camera, no editing skills, and no money. Now imagine using free AI tools to get videos ideas, write scripts, create thumbnails, and to grow your channels faster than ever before. Now welcome to beginner tutorial, where I will teach you how to grow YouTube business from beginner to pro. Now by the end of this video, you are going to know the exact roadmap to follow, the right AI tools to use, and how YouTube creators actually make money, and how to choose a profitable niche. And the fifth one, the first task you need to complete today. Now let's get started. I'm going to ask you a question. Why now is the best time to start? Now a lot of people think YouTube is crowded, but that's not true. Every day millions of people search YouTube for answers. They want to learn AI, business, technology, finance, education. The opportunity is bigger than ever. What change is this? AI now help beginners to work faster and smarter. Now for instance, work that spanned 3 hours before, you can do it in the twinkling of an eye with AI tools. Instead of struggling for ideas, AI can now create dozens for you in a minute. Even creating thumbnails, AI can actually create that for you within seconds. So AI is a tool. It is not a replacement for your creativity. The channels that win are those channels that combine AI with real value, real personality, and consistent action. Now the next one is, how do you really make money on this YouTube stream? Now before you start building YouTube business, you need to understand how money actually flows. New creators think you can only get money from ads, and that is not true. There are many means you can gain money from on this YouTube stream. Now there are many streams of income here. We have YouTube ad revenue. This is the money you earn from ads shown on your video. Another stream of income on this YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. You recommend a product and viewers, once they click on your link and buy the product, you earn commission from it. The next one is digital products. You can sell templates, you can sell courses, guides, ebooks, and they will buy from you. The next stream of income on this YouTube stream is consulting and services. Once your video builds trust, people are ready to pay for your expertise. Now the next one is brand sponsorship. Brand sponsorship. Companies are ready to pay creators to advertise their products. My advice is this: don't start by chasing money. Start by solving problems for people, because money comes as a result of value that you give. In this video, our goal is not just to make quick cash. Our goal is to build long-time digital assets. The next one is choosing the right niche. One of the mistakes that beginners make is choosing wrong niche. Now I'm going to mention 5 beginner-friendly niche you can start here in Nigeria and globally. 1. AI tutorial. 2. Tech reviews. 3. Small business tips. 4. YouTube growth. 5. Online income education. Now here is how AI becomes more powerful. Now if you want to get idea, you can just open ChatGPT and type this prompt: give me 20 YouTube niche that are growing in Nigeria and globally. So you can actually review the ideas carefully. Choose one niche, not 5, not 2, not 10, but only 1. Why? Because focus builds authority, and authority builds subscribers. What are the free AI tools that you need right now to start with? Okay, let's build your starter kit. You don't need a whole lot of AI tools, but I'm going to introduce to you the basic AI tools you can start with today. Number 1 is ChatGPT. As you all know, use it for script idea, video ideas, and making research on what you want to really do. Now the next tool that you are going to be used as a complete beginner is Canva. You can use this Canva for thumbnails, channel banners, and graphic works. The next tool I'm going to be mentioning is CapCut. As you know, we use it for video editing. Those are the basic tools that you need to kickstart your YouTube journey. Okay, another tool I'm going to be introducing to you is Google Trends. Yes, you need it to be able to search for the topic that is trendy right now for you to create video on it. So it can be used for market research and seasonal opportunities. The next tool I'm going to be measuring as a complete beginner is YouTube Studio. We use it for analytics, optimization, and tracking growth. These tools are available and they are more than enough to launch you to start your YouTube channel today. You do not need expensive software to start. Create your channel today. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your channel. Ready to start your YouTube journey? I have created a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create and properly optimize your YouTube channel. Click the video link in the description below or at the top of my screen here. Follow along and launch your channel. It's your channel. Step 1. Creating your YouTube channel. Use a clear name related to your niche. Step 2. Choose your niche. Now commit to one topic for now. Step 3. Create a new banner in Canva. Keep it clean and readable. Step 4. Write your channel description by using ChatGPT. Here is a simple prompt. Write a simple YouTube description for a channel about AI tutorial and online business for beginners. Step 5. Create a list of 20 videos ideas. This removes the stress of wondering what to post next. Don't worry about perfection. Your first growth is momentum, not perfection. Every successful YouTuber starts with 0 subscribers and awkward first videos. Congratulations, you now have a roadmap to building successful business with AI. Remember, you have learned a lot today. 1. Why YouTube is still a massive opportunity. 2. How creators actually make money. 3. How to choose a profitable niche. 4. Which free AI tools you need to use. 5. What action you need to take today. Your homework is simple. Create your channel today. Follow the step-by-step that we have done earlier and create your new channel today, and drop your channel name in the comment below. In the next video, we are going to be diving deep on how to actually grow your YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow, to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop another video. So if you're serious about growing from beginner to pro, subscribe to this channel because we have a lot to offer you, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we drop a new video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Keep building and keep creating.